Let's go, everyone. Happy New Year. Happy 2022. Today, we're going to be unboxing some ASICS Nimbus Gel 23s. So, new year, new me. Going to start exercising harder, running more, hitting the gym more. So, got these new running shoes to get started off on the right foot. So, these are ASICS Gel-Nimbus 23s, men, size 9.5. And the color, I really like the color scheme I'll show you all. It's a thunder blue / glow yellow. So nothing too exciting about the box. Plain box, but here we go. I'll show you all what it looks like. Boom. Check it out. Flight foam, Gel-Nimbus 23 marking over there. Here's what the soles look like. And I tried these on in store. Here were some of the tags that came with it. So this talks about the foam sole technology. Super soft soles, for real. It definitely, I jogged in them in the store, and it feels like you're jogging on clouds. So definitely excited for these new shoes. Again, Gel-Nimbus 23s men, dope color, really cool foam soles, and yeah. Excited to start off 2022 with these new running shoes. Thanks everyone. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Thank you. Hope you have a great day. Bye.